Autophix OBD scanner feedback function operation video. When the interface of connection failure or unsuccessful operation appears during the diagnosis process of the device, we can use the feedback function to feedback the problem to the after-sales technician and solve the related problem. Here we take the operation of EPB reset as an example. Step 1. Turn on the problem feedback recording function. Connect the device to the car and click Tool Setup. Select the feedback the test result option. Automatic recording has been turned on, and then perform the EPB reset function. Step 2. Perform the function to record data. In the main interface, select the EPB reset menu, and then press the OK button to start the EPB reset function. After the recording is completed, unplug the device and export the data to the computer. Step 3. Connect the device to the computer for data export. Enter our website www.autophix.com. Move the mouse to the support button and click download to enter the download center. Then select the corresponding product model and download the upgrade file to the desktop. Then close the browser and extract the file to the desktop. Make sure the device is connected to the computer. Then open the upgrade tool. Click the feedback button. A text document